Hey there, welcome to our channel Tech Studio. On today's tutorial, I'll be guiding you if you can add a collaborator before posting. Before guiding you through the steps, make sure you have subscribed and hit the notification bell of this channel so that you can get notified about the further uploads on this channel. So you may be wondering if you can add a collaborator before posting, then let me explain you this with the pros and cons and the limitations on Instagram. So what you need to do is simply go on Instagram first. Once you are in the Instagram, what you need to do is on the bottom of the screen, you will see the plus like icon. Simply tap on that and simply select any random picture you want to post. On top right corner, you will see the next option. Simply tap on next and tap on next again. And here is the tag people beneath add location. Tap on that, and here is the invite collaborators option. Tap that and search for user you want to invite as a collaborator. So inviting anyone or adding anyone as a collaborator simply does is if you post this photo or any video, then this post or a specific photo will be shown on both of your Instagram feed. So it's before posting. So what you need to do is simply let me say you that there's a limitation in what Instagram will let you do. So tap on done, or on top right corner you will see the tick mark. Simply tap on that and simply tap on share. Come back again and go to your profile on bottom right corner and scroll down. Here you will see that Selena Gomez was invited to be a collaborator but hasn't yet invited or accepted. This shows that Instagram doesn't allow that feature, but there are some caveats that mimic them collaborating. So you need to simply scroll down and choose any random picture on your profile that you have uploaded before. So you need to tap on the top right corner three dotted line and tap on edit here. Here you can see the tag people option. Simply tap that and tap on photo, and here you can select the username here that you want to invite as collaborator and choose that. When you tap on the tick mark, this is a sort of way that you can invite them as a collaborator, because when you tag this user, then they will be able to see your post. It's one sort of way to collaborate. Simply tap on the tick mark on top right corner and come back again. Another way what you need to do or what you can do is when they share their specific post to Instagram feed or story, just ask them to go in here, say I forgot to add you as a collaborator before posting. So before this, you need to go to that specific post and you need to share it in your Instagram feed or to their story. So this shows that there is a limitation still on the Instagram and there is no specific way to add anyone as a collaborator before posting. So this was the simple way you can do. So thank you guys.